Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today is cooking time. I'm going to make siomai. Siomai for today. Naka-bluetooth na ba to? Yes. Ay.
It is. May green sa taas.
Oh yes. Nakita ko na. Okay, this is yung pambalot. And then I'm gonna use this fork. Giniling. And then, of course, the shrimp, pork shrimp, siomai, and then cebollino. And then, of course, the main ingredients na dapat hindi mawala. We have egg, carrots, onion, and garlic. Siyempre, ang ating pampalasang salt and pepper. That's all. So, start mixing. Ganda ka eh. I-extra kita dyan.
Kita mga parts.
Sobrang linaw eh, no? Sobrang linaw. Kadiri. Finish! Commercial na naman ng babae na to. Pero talaga bluffer. Ano na tinatawag na pangpagulo? Finish. Then we have this and this. Let's try. On the top. Tama na yan.
Wow, gano'n ka lang yung pagdadala.
Yummy!
Ay, mag-iita kayo tayo ng wala nyo. Ang init. That's only Jewish, you know? Wow! Ang init! Very hot. Hindi mo wala sa akin yung show.
Sarap.
Normal.
Ang anghang nito. Promise. Ang tamis pa.
Nuni pa naman may edible sa akin.
Bahala na. Finish!